Welcome to our video which will show you how to set up and carry out the GCSE required practical investigating what happens when aqueous solutions are electrolyzed using inert electrodes. For this practical, students are required to pass an electric current through two different salt solutions. They must identify the elements formed at each of the electrodes and be able to draw a fully labelled diagram of an electrochemical cell. For this experiment, we'll be using the following equipment: safety goggles, a 100 ml glass beaker, a plastic Petri dish with two holes made through the lid to accommodate the electrodes, 4 carbon electrodes, 4 mm connecting clips, 2 crocodile clips, a power supply unit. Today we're using the bench power unit by Unilab, which is a general purpose power supply with output of up to 13 volts, blue litmus or neutral litmus paper, forceps, copper chloride solution, sodium chloride solution. Fill the 100 ml beaker up to the 50 ml mark with copper chloride solution and place the Petri dish with the holes in it over the beaker. Insert a carbon electrode into each of the holes, ensuring the electrodes aren't touching. Attach a crocodile clip to each of the carbon electrodes and connect the electrodes to the DC output of the power supply using the connecting leads. Set the power supply to 4 volts and switch on. Observe what is happening at each electrode and record your observations. You could use a table similar to this. Using forceps, hold a piece of blue or neutral litmus paper in the solution next to the anode or positive electrode and identify the element. Record your observations in the table. Also, record your observations of any changes at the cathode or negative electrode. Rinse the apparatus out and collect a second pair of clean electrodes. Now fill the beaker to the 50 ml mark with the sodium chloride solution. Place the Petri dish lid over the beaker and insert the new electrodes, ensuring the electrodes aren't touching. Attach the crocodile clips to the electrodes and connect the electrodes to the DC output of the power supply using the connecting leads. Set the power supply to 4 volts and switch on. Again, observe what is happening at both electrodes and record your observation in the table. We hope you found this practical advice useful. For expert technical support, contact the Philip Harris technical team at techsupport@philipharris.co.uk or visit our blog at philipharris.co.uk/blog.